Hey everyone, Keith here. Welcome to the video. We got Lauren here today. You want to tell them what yummy thing we're making today?
Noodles.
Noodles! Specifically, we're making our favorite pizza pasta. All right, let's get into making the pasta. Got the rotoni over there, but you can use any kind of pasta that you want for this, and then just put your favorite pizza toppings on. We happen to like green olives, we like mushrooms, we like onions, we like peppers, pepperoni, and some mozzarella. So that's our toppings, but you know, do your own favorite toppings. It all works good with this. Okay, for our pasta, I always use about 8 ounces of pasta for this dish. 8 ounces I find is about the perfect amount of pasta. If you don't have a scale like that, it's just about one regular bowl full. But anyway, we got our butter going. We're gonna saute the peppers and onions, and then we got our water going for the pasta. Okay, just so you get your pan ready here while your noodles are boiling, just butter around a little bit. Kind of just helps the flavor, give it a little flavor, and I just leave, that's about 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of butter. Just kind of makes your pasta not stick together as much and adds a little extra flavor to it. I also wanted to point out that we preheat our oven to 425. Sorry for the steam, we got pasta everywhere. But we preheat our oven to 425 while this is going, so it'll be ready when it's done. All right, so our mushrooms and onions and peppers are sauteed, so we're gonna dump them in the pasta that's already in the pan. And then we're gonna dump in the olives, get them kind of integrated in before you get everything going. Now you can obviously use more or less, whatever, that's your own preference here. And you can change your toppings like we said, but this is kind of our mix we got going on here. Also, before I stick in the pasta sauce or anything, I like to go ahead and do the pepperoni. And then once you have all the pepperoni in there that you want, then you just dump the pasta sauce in. Okay, once you get your pasta sauce mixed in, it's time to mix in the cheese. So first you mix it around into the pasta and then you put it on top. So we'll do that now. But you want it nice and cheesy in here, ooey gooey, almost like a deep dish pizza. All right, that's what it looks like when you get the cheese mixed in and the cheese on top. Now we stick it in the oven at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, this is the finished product here. Yes, I'm gonna enjoy my Corona beer with it. But look at that goodness. All that cheese and pepperoni. And the best thing is, like I said, you can make this your own with whatever toppings you like in your own pizza. Just put it in there. Anyway, I hope you liked our quick little video here. And you know what? We'd love to know what you'd put in your own pizza pasta. Just like drop us a comment down there below. Let us know like what ingredients you'd add. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end it though. Make sure you stick around though, because we got some more videos for you to watch here at the end. There'll be an end card with a few things for them to watch, won't there? Yeah. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already. And what do we say at the end, Lauren? Thanks a lot for watching, and then peace and love.